Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Telegram. Access messages on any device step by step clearly. First, make sure Telegram is installed on your phone because your phone number is the key to your account. Open Telegram on your phone and confirm you can see your chats, because you may need it to approve new logins. On a computer, open a browser and go to Web, Telegram, or to use Telegram without installing anything. If you prefer the desktop app, search Telegram Desktop and download it only from Telegram, or for safety. Launch Telegram Web or Telegram Desktop and choose your country code from the list. Type your phone number carefully and click Next to request a login code. Check your Telegram app on the phone, because Telegram often sends the code as an in-app message first. If a code does not appear in the app, wait for the SMS option and read the code from your text messages. Enter the code exactly as shown and continue to complete the sign-in. If you enabled two-step verification, type your Telegram password to finish logging in. To approve a login request, tap the confirmation prompt on your phone when Telegram asks to allow the new device. Once logged in, wait a few seconds for your chats to sync, because messages load from the cloud. To log in on a second phone or tablet, install Telegram there and repeat the same phone number and code process. To access Telegram on an iPad or Android tablet, you can also use Telegram Web in the tablet browser. To keep your account secure on shared computers, avoid checking any Remember Me or browser save options. After using Telegram Web, open the menu and click Log Out so your account is not left open. On your phone, open Telegram settings to manage devices and see where your account is currently logged in. Go to Settings, then Devices, to view all active sessions with device names and login times. If you see an unknown device, tap it and choose Terminate Session to remove access immediately. For extra protection, enable two-step verification in settings so a password is required on new logins. Set a strong password and add a recovery email so you can regain access if you forget it. If you change your phone number, use Settings and Change Number so your account stays linked to Telegram correctly. To access your messages offline, remember that Telegram Web needs internet, while the desktop app may cache some data. If you cannot receive the code, confirm your SIM is active and your phone has signal and can receive SMS. Also check that you entered the correct country code, because the wrong code sends verification elsewhere. If Telegram says too many attempts, wait a while and try again instead of repeatedly requesting new codes. If you lost your phone, use another logged-in device to terminate sessions and secure the account from settings. Finally, keep Telegram updated on every device so login and syncing works smoothly without errors. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.